Ever wondered how a simple root could transform your health? Today, we're uncovering 11 proven benefits of eating it every day. Ginger has been cherished for centuries in both cuisine and medicine. Its unique flavor and powerful health properties have made it a staple in many cultures around the world. One of ginger's most remarkable benefits is its anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief from chronic conditions like arthritis. Ginger is also a natural pain reliever. It has been shown to alleviate muscle pain and soreness, making it a popular choice for athletes and those with active lifestyles. Feeling nauseous? Ginger can help with that too. It's known for its ability to reduce nausea and motion sickness, making it a handy remedy for travelers. Ginger plays a significant role in managing blood sugar levels. Research indicates that regular consumption of ginger can improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood glucose levels and support overall metabolic health. Incorporating ginger into your diet can benefit your heart health. It helps reduce cholesterol levels and prevent blood clotting, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease and promoting cardiovascular wellness. Packed with antioxidants, ginger helps fight oxidative stress and free radicals. This protective effect can reduce cellular damage and slow down the aging process, contributing to overall health and longevity. Emerging studies suggest ginger may have cancer preventive properties. Its bioactive compounds like gingerol have been shown to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells, offering a natural protective measure. Ginger can support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism and increasing fat burning. Additionally, it can help manage appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy, balanced diet for effective weight management. Ginger is a powerhouse for weight loss, thanks to its ability to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. Consuming ginger daily can help you manage weight more effectively and naturally. Incorporating ginger into your diet is simple and versatile. Add fresh ginger to smoothies, teas, and soups, or use it as a spice in dishes. Its unique flavor enhances many recipes. I once struggled with bloating and indigestion, but after incorporating ginger tea into my routine, I noticed a significant improvement in my digestive health and overall well-being. It's truly transformative. Numerous studies back up the health benefits of ginger. Research from reputable institutions confirms its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive properties, reinforcing ginger's credibility as a potent natural remedy. While ginger is generally safe, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Excessive intake can lead to heartburn or stomach upset. Pregnant women and individuals on medication should consult their doctor. Numerous scientific studies support the health benefits of ginger. Research has shown its effectiveness in reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and improving digestion. These studies provide a solid foundation for ginger's medicinal claims. It's important to be aware of potential side effects. Consuming large amounts of ginger can lead to digestive issues or interact with certain medications. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Let's quickly recap the incredible health benefits we discussed today. Ginger can reduce inflammation, relieve pain, combat nausea, improve digestion, boost immunity, lower blood sugar, and support heart health, among other benefits. We'd love to hear your experiences with ginger. Have you noticed any health improvements? Share your stories in the comments below and join our community of health-conscious viewers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more health tips and informative videos that can transform your well-being. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can experience the numerous health benefits of ginger. From boosting digestion to enhancing brain function, ginger is a versatile addition to any diet. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences with ginger in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and videos.